Na 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 na. Talking about you and me and the games people play. Yeah, the games people play now. Every night and every day now. Never meaning what they say, yeah, never saying what they mean. First you wind away your hours in your concrete towers. Soon you'll be covered up with flowers in the back of a black limousine. Na 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 na. Talking about you and me and the games people play. Hi, I'm Vasco and today we're taking a look at the games people play by Inner Circle. We're going to do it 2 half steps down than original, so if you want to play along with the original, just put a capo here on the 2nd fret of your ukulele, but in this tutorial we're not putting a capo, we just play it like that. I chose this key because it's easier to do this little that we can hear in the song, which is little element. I like little elements, so here it is. Grab your high G and let's see how to play this one. Okay, for the whole song we have just 2 different parts. The first one starts with the chord of G, then to the chord of D. I'm grabbing it with 1 finger, maybe for you it will be easier with 3. Then the 3rd bar is split between C to D, back to G. Okay? And I'm doing a reggae strum, so it's always on the offbeat. 1 and 2 and 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 na 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 na. Talking about you and me and the games people play. Okay, what's that? I'm basically just removing the middle finger here from the 2nd fret of the A string. And then finishing on G string open, right? Basically we are always finishing this line with this little thing. Na 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 na. Talking about you and me and the games people play. Na 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 na. Talking about you and me and the games people play. Then we go to the verse where we play exactly the same chords, but we try to tone down the dynamics a little bit. Yeah, the games people play now, every night and every day now. Never meaning what they say, yeah, never saying what they mean. First you wind away hours in your concrete towers. Soon you'll be covered up by flowers in the back of a black limousine. People walking up to you, yeah, singing only hallelujah. Then they try to suck it to you in the name of the Lord. Na 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 na. And here you start strumming a little bit more. Now, talking about you and me and the games people play. Na 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 na. Talking about you and me and the games people play. And we have the bridge, I think 2 times or 3 times in the song, for which we just hold C. Whoa, oh, whoa, oh, 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 to D. Whoa, oh, whoa, oh, 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 oh. My voice is trash. Why? Ooh, 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 ooh. Na 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 na. So that was my ukulele tutorial for the games people play by Inner Circle. Thank you very much for watching it. It will be easier if you have the printable in front of you. That way you can help yourself with something while learning the song. If you want to get it, it will be in the link in the description. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you again on the next one. Goodbye.